Hello everyone and welcome to this video wherein I am going to discuss a few new age MBA programs that exist. So who are these programs meant for? सबसे पहले वो identify करते हैं and if you belong to any of these categories, definitely think about these programs that I'm going to talk about. अब यहाँ पे who should consider this? The first thing is people who have absolute clarity in their lives. तो कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको अपने specialization के बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं होता या फिर they are not very sure as to what will they enjoy pursuing during their MBA. तो उनके लिए एक जनरल 2 ईयर MBA जो होता है दैट इज मोर फ्रूटफुल प्योरली बिकॉज सेकेंड ईयर जैसे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा वहां पे यू विल बी एबल टू फिगर आउट व्हाट योर स्पेशलाइजेशन इज गोइंग टू बी उसके हिसाब से इलेक्टिव्स चूज कर लो एंड देन यू आर डन विद इट वेर एज इफ यू नो वट एक्जैक्टली डू यू वांट टू डू द एडवांटेज इज दैट वट एवर टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड इन दैट इंस्टीट्यूट बी इट 1 ईयर और 2 years you know exactly what you are going to learn तो उससे होता यह है that you get more opportunities to build your CV the way you like otherwise in your 2 year normal MBA program first year जो होगा वो common होगा and because it is common everybody is going to get similar opportunities तो वो थोड़े dilute हो सकते हैं the second category of people are the ones जिनको late enlightenment हुआ है अब इसका मतलब ये होता है that people who have not done well in their 10th standard and 12th standard and even graduation for that matter जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा opportunities शायद नहीं मिल रही हैं because of whatever they had done in the past for these people these programs will make a lot of sense purely because they are generally more accepting of candidates who have clarity of thought वो बहुत ज़्यादा aggressively past records को नहीं देखते because of which you might have a good chance of pursuing your MBA or MBA equivalent from a good college then people who are genuinely scared of cat now not everybody will be hyper competitive and extremely well prepared will be able to do the best job that is possible in the presence of a timer ऐसा सबके पास नहीं होती skill then what happens in that case does it mean that you should not do an MBA you should not pursue management ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है CAT एक hurdle है जिसको clear करना चाहिए ideally but if you are someone who is slightly scared of CAT slightly scared of entrance tests बहुत ज़्यादा competitive नहीं हो but given time and exposure you will do well in terms of management और managerial skills उनके लिए ये programs काफ़ी apt हो सकते हैं then people who are early adopters क्योंकि ये programs relatively नए हैं if you look at most of them they are relatively new तो अब इसका मतलब ये हो जाता है कि ये new age programs है because of which what will happen in this context is you will be the ones who will be experts maybe 15-20 years down the line when it comes to these particular domains otherwise अगर हम देखेंगे तो MBAs तो सालों से चलते आ रहे हैं MBAs सालों तक चलते रहेंगे but these programs are the ones that are new age programs तो उसमें updated curriculum होगा the things that you are going to learn will be more relevant to you maybe 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the line as well and यहाँ पे if you are looking at good brands जिनके secondary programs है तो कुछ options इस list के अंदर वो भी हैं जहाँ पे the brands in general are really good but ये उनके flagship programs नहीं हैं ये उनके secondary programs हैं now of course being a part of a good brand will be my top priority उसके बाद I will look at which program I am a part of क्योंकि experience जो होगा वो more or less same होगा so I would rather be in a secondary program of a very good college instead of taking up something which is kind of a mid brand and a mid flagship program तो मैं वो नहीं करूंगा I will always want to go for even if it's a secondary program it's okay if I have the clarity and if the other points are also applicable तो start करते सबसे पहले college के साथ I am going to talk about this college IIM Sirmaur now of course IIM Sirmaur you would have heard of and a lot of people call it a baby IIM which is the third generation IIMs जो अभी काफ़ी time हो गया in fact but then they are relatively new compared to the older IIMs तो IIM Sirmaur का एक बहुत ही interesting program है which is called tourism management अब tourism management में होता यह है that you know that there are a lot of these tourism related activities that happen last कुछ सालों में काफ़ी ज़्यादा people have started touring even abroad for that matter या within India as well काफ़ी सारे initiatives हैं by the government of India as well तो यहाँ पे you know that there is a lot of scope in terms of tourism तो यहाँ पे अगर देखते हैं तो कट ऑफ जो बेसिक प्रिलिमिनरी कट ऑफ होता है वो 80-85 परसेंटाइल के आसपास होता है फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट्स एंड इट कैन गो लोअर तो EWS के लिए बेसिक कट ऑफ इज 70 परसेंटाइल ऐसे करते 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 इवन पीपल विद लेस देन 70 परसेंटाइल कैन इवन गेट थ्रू दिस प्रोग्राम अब यहाँ पे अगर एवरेज सैलरी की बात करें तो ऑफकोर्स लेटेस्ट स्टेटिस्टिक्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल बट 14 LPA इज वॉट वी कैन रिलेटिवली अज्यूम दैट और कंफर्टेबली अज्यूम रादर दैट विल बी पॉसिबल थ्रू दिस प्रोग्राम अब यहाँ पे किस टाइप के रोल्स होते हैं तो देयर आर सम रोल्स दैट आर देयर सी इफ यू आर एक्साइटेड अबाउट दीस रोल्स सो ऑपरेशंस मैनेजर या आउटलेट मैनेजर इन टर्म्स ऑफ होटल्स एंड रिजॉर्ट्स सो ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ एक्जैक्टली टू मैनेज द ऑपरेशंस दैट आर देयर इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बिजनेस अब वहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं स्टे वाली चीज़ें भी हो सकती हैं एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स बेसिकली कम टुगेदर विथ अ bit of marketing as well, customer service as well, and then you know that you have a lot of things on your plate. So operations manager, outlet manager are one of the roles that are offered at this particular campus after this program. Revenue yield manager, you also have to think in terms of finances कि भाई यहाँ पे अगर मैं property setup करूँ तो will it be a good idea? अगर already एक property setup है, how can it become more profitable? Is there something that we can do to tweak it? Can we have better utilization of rooms and so on and so forth? उसके बाद distribution and channel manager आता है for OTAs and chains. तो यहाँ पे distribution and channel manager basically means that यहाँ पे it's not exactly one hotel that you will be a part of, but let's say for example you are dealing with IHCL, let's say, or you are dealing with something like Trident, or you are dealing with Marriott for that matter. तो यहाँ पे you have to understand what exactly does the distribution model look like, what exactly does the channel look like. तो channel sales हो सकते हैं, what exactly are you doing in terms of the various companies, organizations that you will be dealing with, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे आ जाती हैं. Sales and business development in terms of corporate travel, MICE, अगर मैं देखूंगा MICE, तो यहाँ पे sales and business development roles जो normally बाकी companies में भी होते हैं, यहाँ पे भी उस type के roles आ सकते हैं. Then experience manager in terms of travel startups and curated tours, तो ये भी एक चीज़ है जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा develop हो रही है. In fact, there are a lot of these things that happen in terms of vacations. तो पहले vacations लोग बोलते थे, तो they used to basically travel abroad or travel within India somewhere, maybe spend a week or so and then come back. But यहाँ पे now there are a certain set of things that have started, which is called staycation, for example. So you are in the same city, but you are just going there for leisure. You are not going there for travel. You are just going there to be in that cozy setup and room service and maybe get a spa done or something like that, and you're sorted. या फिर precation is another thing that is up and coming, wherein people want to visit all these places of religious importance in the country. तो ये भी सारी चीज़ें जो काफ़ी up and coming है. So it might be a good idea for you. Consulting and strategy roles भी हो सकते हैं after you do your MBA in tourism. IIM जम्मू का एक प्रोग्राम है which they have collaborated with AIMS for. तो यहाँ पे healthcare management is the program I'm talking about. Around 80-ish percentile we can say is the cutoff for general. Males females का अलग होता है cutoff, and in terms of the average salaries that we are looking at roughly 15 lakhs per annum. जो भी मैं options दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, those are either 15 lakhs per annum or slightly north of that. तो सारे options are financially rewarding if you were to take stock of this. अब यहाँ पे क्या क्या रोल्स मिल सकते हैं? हॉस्पिटल ऑपरेशंस या यूनिट मैनेजर. सो ऑपरेशंस जो होते हैं हॉस्पिटल्स के डे टू डे बेसिस पे, दैट यू विल हैव टू लुक एट कि माइक्रोबायोलॉजी यूनिट कैसे काम कर रहा है, उनके इक्विपमेंट्स वगैरह ठीक है कि नहीं है, ओपीडीज में क्या चल रहा है, हाउ एग्जैक्टली इज द फ्लो हैपनिंग, इज देयर सम बॉटलनेक दैट इज प्रेजेंट, कैन वी केटर टू मोर पेशेंट्स, वेटिंग टाइम कितना है, एवरेज ऑक्यूपेंसी कितनी है, ये सारी चीज़ें यू विल हैव टू लुक एट इन टर्म्स ऑफ हॉस्पिटल ऑपरेशंस स्लैश यूनिट मैनेजर. Clinical operations coordinator is mostly on the clinical side of things, जहाँ पे we are talking about OPDs, wards, consultations and all these things. उसके बाद healthcare project manager. अब यहाँ पे कुछ projects होते हैं by a lot of companies that are there, a lot of hospitals that are there, जहाँ पे you will have to manage the entire project कि इसके operations start कैसे करेंगे, streamline कैसे करेंगे and so on and so forth. Pharma, medtech are again two parts that are a subset of healthcare in general. तो pharma management के options होते हैं like NMIMS for that matter. But if you are looking at pharma slash medtech, product management, sales, ये वाले roles अगर देख रहे हो तो भी healthcare management के through you can easily look at these kind of roles. And healthcare analytics, अब ये थोड़ा सा up and coming चीज़ है because business analytics is something that is in vogue right now. Healthcare analytics is something that combines analytics, टेक्निकल नॉलेज विथ द हेल्थ केयर साइड ऑफ थिंग्स. तो जो भी मैंने चीज़ें बताई इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑक्यूपेंसी, टर्न अराउंड टाइम, पेशेंट वेटिंग टाइम, एवरेज एक्सपेंसेस दैट आर देयर, ये सब चीज़ें अगर मैं देखूँ तो उसमें एनालिटिक्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू मेक द लाइव्स ऑफ द पेशेंट्स एंड द डॉक्टर्स अ बिट बेटर. यहाँ पे कंसल्टिंग भी हो सकते हैं फॉर हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स, इंश्योरेंस फर्म्स की कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए. इंश्योरेंस के लिए यू कैन बी एन एडवाइसर और यू कैन गेट इन टू कंसल्टिंग वेर इन यू विल टेल देम ओके विच प्रोडक्ट इज बिहेविंग इन वॉट मैनर एंड सो ऑन and so forth. Third thing that I'm talking about is SDA Bocconi. Now we are talking about SDA Bocconi Asia Center, which is the Asia Center for the SDA Bocconi Institute in Italy, Milan. तो वहाँ पे जो SDA Bocconi का जो parent institute है, that is basically one institute which is world renowned. It regularly features in the top 10 in terms of rankings, in terms of B schools in the world. तो Asia Center is essentially something that has started from 2015, so they finished more than 10 years in India. And यहाँ पे अगर देखते हैं तो they offer an international master in business. So that is basically the degree that they are giving. That is basically the certification that they are providing. अब इसके अंदर एक Milan immersion होता है, which is kind of a flagship of this program, and this is something which is different from other institutes that you get, जहाँ पे you are going to spend one entire semester in Milan. तो वहाँ पे अगर टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो, you basically get to interact with people from Milan, you get to interact with their faculty in a more detailed manner. I'll talk about the faculty a bit later, but you will get to interact with the faculty, with the students that are there, and it's kind of an exchange program that you get to see at most of the top IIMs and the like. So SDA Bocconi will give you that advantage wherein you will get an international Milan immersion. उसके बाद अगर बैच प्रोफाइल की बात की जाए तो यहाँ पे यू विल गेट अ हेल्दी मिक्स ऑफ इंजीनियर्स, नॉन इंजीनियर्स, फीमेल कैंडिडेट्स, मेल कैंडिडेट्स एंड सो ऑन. In fact, if you look at it, if you are a non-engineer, let's say for example, then you have a significant say in terms of the admission process as well. Because 2024-26 का batch profile अगर देख लोगे तो वहाँ पे you will see that a lot of people are non-engineers. So more than 70% are non-engineers in their placement report if you look at it. In terms of freshers and work-ex, again there is a good mix of freshers and work-ex. Generally ये सारे ratios 50-50 के around ही tend करते हैं. So it will be a healthy mix of people that will be a part of your batch. यहाँ पे ग्लोबल फैकल्टी भी है, तो पीपल फ्लाई डाउन फ्रॉम मिलान एंड टीच यू. सो जो फैकल्टी SDA Bocconi मिलान कैंपस में पढ़ाते हैं वही लोग एशिया सेंटर में भी पढ़ाते हैं. सो यू विल गेट अ गुड ओवरलैप ऑफ पीपल हु विल बी ट्रैवलिंग एंड हु विल बी टेकिंग सर्टन इलेक्टिव्स फॉर यू. अब यहाँ पे द काइंड ऑफ रोल्स दैट आई सॉ इन द प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट एंड दैट एक्साइटेड मी वेयर स्टार्टअप एंगेजमेंट एनालिस्ट. यहाँ पे यू आर लुकिंग एट कैसे एंगेजमेंट हम लोग ड्राइव कर सकते हैं, हाउ एग्जैक्टली डू स्टार्टअप्स रीच आउट टू देयर audience and so on and so forth. So that is basically something that was a role that was offered. Key account manager is a role that is offered very routinely when it comes to the FMCG companies predominantly. तो यहाँ पे होता यह है that key accounts में तुम्हारा पास एक account होगा and you will have to handle the workings of that particular account. So let's say for example you are with HUL for example, and वहाँ पे you also have a channel which is let's say DMart. तो वहाँ पे that will be a key account and you will be a manager for that particular key account. Co-pilot to CEO again is something that puts you in that same league. I would say it is a kind of a role जहाँ पे you understand how a CEO is functioning. You are kind of assisting the CEO in terms of decision making, in terms of analyzing, in terms of prioritizing and so on. So you basically get access to the CEO themselves. उसके बाद अगर बात करेंगे प्रोग्राम मैनेजर और प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, दोनों ही रोल्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब यहाँ पे फ्लोट होते हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस काइंड ऑफ रोल्स, SDA Bocconi will be a good option. उसके बाद फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी है. फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी का ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव देयर फ्लैगशिप MBA प्रोग्राम, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 3 programs that they have. One is an MSc in economics, one is a master's in communications, and the another thing is master's in entrepreneurship and innovation. तो ये 3 programs की बात मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ. They have a liberal education philosophy. In fact, Flame is known for its liberal arts programs in the undergraduate domain. तो वहाँ पे वो काफ़ी well known institute है, and of course in terms of PG they have these nice niche programs that exist. In terms of what happens at the campus, they have a center for entrepreneurship and innovation, which basically fosters entrepreneurial abilities that are there. You will have to work on a project, you might have to create a real-time business model, and you will also be helped in terms of how exactly to scale it up and so on and so forth. So I've interacted with the professors there, and they are extremely promising and very friendly if you look at their credentials and the way in which they teach. So all the students had nice things to say about them. So that is something that you will get at Flame University. Leadership communication is something that is also a subject that is taught. They also believe in leadership communication, the way in which you communicate. Again, it's a highlight of the communications program. Storytelling again is a highlight of the communications program. And MSc Economics की बात करेंगे तो वहाँ पे एक macro and microeconomics के ऊपर भी there will be sufficient things that will be told to you. Then it comes to IIM Kozhikode. So IIM Kozhikode ka, of course, there is a flagship program that exists, but the program I'm talking about is specifically for people with WorkX. तो अगर 4 साल के ऊपर का WorkX है, I'm talking about this PGP Business Leadership Program. So BL program बोलते हैं उसको, 1 year program है वो. Of course, it needs 4 years of experience, and you can take either of CAT, GRE, GMAT. इसके admissions थोड़े से बाद में होंगे in the present context, so you will have to keep your eyes open for the notification that might come out. अब यहाँ पे senior rotational leadership track roles in large corporations, अगर ये मैं देख रहा हूँ तो यहाँ पे IIM Kozhikode becomes a good choice for me, because I would have already spent some time in management. I don't really need the rigor of a 2-year MBA टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे कॉर्पोरेट में बिहेव करना चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट, आई वॉन्ट अ गुड ब्रांड ऑन माई CV एंड आई नीड गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. तो वहाँ पे IIM कोझिकोड का PGPBL प्रोग्राम विल बी अ वेरी नाइस लुक्रेटिव प्रोग्राम. अब यहाँ पे स्ट्रैटेजी एंड कॉर्पोरेट डेवलपमेंट, मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस के लिए रोल्स मिल सकते हैं, प्रोडक्ट लीडरशिप, ग्रोथ रोल्स हो सकते हैं, कंसल्टिंग हो सकता है, स्ट्रैटेजी ऑपरेशंस के अंदर. दीज काइंड ऑफ रोल्स यू विल गेट. मिडल मैनेजमेंट रोल्स इज व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग एट प्राइमरीली, एंड ऑफ कोर्स फाइनेंस फॉर दैट मैटर विल ऑल्सो बी ऑफर टू यू. तो यहाँ पे काफी सारे रोल्स जो नॉर्मल MBA में शायद नहीं आएंगे, वो थोड़े से मे बी 4-5 ईयर्स आगे वाले 1 लेवल अबाउ के रोल्स यू कैन गेट, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव अ वेरी गुड प्रोफाइल एंड यू हैव दिस एज द राइट प्रोग्राम फॉर यू. सो ये वाला एक प्रोग्राम जो है वो थोड़ा हिडन जेम काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग है, बट इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोग्राम. JBIMS के 2 प्रोग्राम्स हैं, so I have created 2 slides for this. One is MSc in Finance. Again, it's a relatively new program. अगर देखेंगे, I think they would have completed some 10 years by now. यहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग एनालिस्ट इस टाइप के रोल्स मिल सकते हैं, वैल्यूएशन स्लैश रिसर्च एनालिस्ट. तो ये कोर फाइनेंस प्रोग्राम है. क्रेडिट या रिस्क एनालिस्ट, पोर्टफोलियो, वेल्थ मैनेजर, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स दैट यू कीप ऑन हियरिंग अबाउट, फैंसी फाइनेंस रोल्स, ये सारे रोल्स JBIMS MSc फाइनेंस के थ्रू मिल सकते हैं. Financial planning and analysis and fintech analytics या risk वाले roles. Typically, if you look at their average salaries, they will hover around 17 to 18 lakhs per annum. Of course, JBIMS का flagship MMS program is the well-known program, but MSc Finance, of course, it's a new program, but it is still creating a niche for itself in the duration for which it has been running. JBIMS का एक और प्रोग्राम है with which I will end this video, which is the MHRD program, तो Human Resource Development HRD वाला प्रोग्राम है. People who are keen on pursuing HR can look at this program. Again, this is slightly younger than MSc Finance as well, but again, it has shown a lot of promise. There aren't a lot of good HR programs that are present in India, so JBIMS MHRD will be an option for you if your intent is to pursue HR. अब यहाँ पे क्या क्या रोल्स मिल सकते हैं? HR business partner या HR generalist के रोल्स मिल सकते हैं, जहाँ पे you are kind of looking at the HR structure of an entire business. या फिर talent acquisition, recruitment lead, you are only looking at the talent acquisition side of things. So headhunters वाले organizations भी हो सकते हैं. You can be a part of a larger organization जहाँ पे your specialty is talent acquisition. उसके बाद learning and development, people who have come into the organizations, उनको कैसे मतलब हम उनको upgrade करते रहते हैं, upskill कैसे कर सकते हैं, that is basically a part of this role. Capability building, so जो भी capabilities हैं उनको और कैसे build कर सकते हैं. Compensation and benefits, again there are people who will look at this particular aspect, तो यहाँ पे भी एक specialization हो सकता है in terms of what you are going to do after your MBA. उसके बाद HR analytics, people strategy, as I mentioned in terms of finance या healthcare, analytics is again something that can be paired with HR. So HR analytics and people strategy of an organization in general, that is something that you can define. And सबसे last एक चीज होगी that you would have seen maybe in terms of TIS, which is called ODCL, Organizational Development and Change Management, right? Change Leadership. तो ये सब चीजें जो होती है वहाँ पे you will be able to get, or these kind of roles are what you can get if you are a part of the JBIMS MHRD program. Again, इसका average भी around 15-16 lakhs per annum के आसपास float करता रहेगा. So, but if you are really keen on HR, I think it's one of the better options that you can get through. Now, of course, there are a lot of programs that exist beyond these as well, but these are the ones that came to my mind. Do let me know in the comment section if you have got calls from one or many of these institutes, or if you are thinking about these programs in general, and you can just share your profile. I'll help you with the decision of whether you should be going for these programs or not, or if CAT 26 makes more sense to you. तो वो सारी चीज़ें हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. If you are someone who is preparing for the GDPI VAT of any of these institutes or any other institute, we have an online program for you. Do check out that program in the description box below, or by dropping us a message on the number that is floating on screen. We also have batches for the CET program, so if you are keen on looking at JBIMS MSc Finance or JBIMS MHRD program, you can look at our CET course as well, so that you improve your chances of getting a good score at the Maharashtra MBA MMS CET. And for those of you who are thinking about CAT 26 alongside, there is this program that we have just launched. So do check out all these programs that are there, and if you think that they will be useful to someone else as well, do feel free to share the details with them so that they benefit and they also end up doing well at the entrance tests. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, keep preparing.